Imagine this. You come home after a long day, you're hungry, and you want something quick but still healthy. You open the freezer, see that bag of frozen edamame, and think, do I really have to boil water and wait, or can I just throw this in the microwave? The good news is, yes, you absolutely can microwave frozen edamame, and it's one of the easiest ways to enjoy this snack without making a mess in the kitchen. But there are a few simple tricks you should know to make sure it comes out perfect. When you microwave edamame, you're basically finishing the cooking process that was started before the beans were frozen. Most frozen edamame has already been blanched, which means it was quickly boiled or steamed to keep its bright green color and freshness. So when you put it in the microwave, you're not starting from scratch, you're just giving it the final touch it needs to be tender, warm, and ready to eat. The process couldn't be easier. You don't need fancy equipment or a long recipe. All you do is place the frozen pods or beans into a microwave-safe bowl. Add just a splash of water, about 2 or 3 tablespoons, to create steam, and then cover the bowl with a lid or even a plate. That steam is the secret to keeping the beans soft and preventing them from drying out. Microwave them for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how powerful your microwave is. Once the beans are tender and steaming hot, they're ready to go. Drain off any extra water, sprinkle some sea salt on top, and just like that, you've got a healthy, protein-packed snack in minutes. What makes microwaving even better is how customizable it is. You can stop at just salt, or you can get creative. Toss the hot edamame with garlic powder, chili flakes, or even a drizzle of sesame oil to give it more flavor. Some people even squeeze a bit of lemon or lime juice over the beans for a refreshing twist. The microwave doesn't just save time. It gives you a blank canvas for making your snack as simple or as bold as you want. So the next time you're standing in your kitchen wondering if you really need to pull out a pot and boil water, remember that the microwave is your best friend. It's fast, it's easy, and it gives you delicious results without any fuss. Yes, you can absolutely microwave frozen edamame, and once you try it, you might never go back to cooking it any other way.